Hello one and all, in this video we are going to share some tips about how to make a short film. So without any delay, let's begin with part 1 of do's and don'ts while making a short film. Short film could be of 45 seconds to 45 minutes, but the general thumb rule is the shorter the better. So you will ask why? Why? Because it's not time consuming, it's less costly. Always remember that the more the length of the film to make, the more the cost it's going to take. Then is know your resources. Time, money and resources are very important, so always remember them while making or planning to shoot, because it's all about money in the end. Opening is very important, so remember to keep a strong opening, because that is something that grabs the attention of the audience and keeps them engaging till the end. So this was all in part 1.